this is me and my brother. I'm gonna open my pack now. He doesn't do it anyway. Hey guys, this is me and my brother. I'm right here. My brother's right here. He got a Thai yogurt pack that is upside down. He made right now. Now it's up. Then look, I got a blade, and it's not hollow.
It's hollow.
So my brother's going to open his pack up now. Come on. Let's see what he did. I'll pull it the other way. It's all one Pokemon. It was a fairy type.
I know.
And it was one of mine.
387.
Don't look at it.
1, 2, 3.
Don't even look at it.
Yeah.
Don't even look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Whoa. So I have this one. This one. This one.
Horsey.
Wait, that's a Pokemon. This one.
You got two doubles?
This one.
I got that.
They got new ones. We didn't see that one.
You didn't get a non-hollow.
110. It's a regular rare.
I know.
But he did get
Never seen
good
Krabby.
hearts.
I already have it.
He did get good hearts on that
I know.
one. So guys, we've been eating McDonald's, and my brother waited. You know why we went like this? Because my brother said he want to do it when he's done eating, and so press the comment below and see who won the best Pokemon. So see you guys later. Bye.
And Tolo, and this is the first time seeing the video. It's good, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
See you guys next time. Bye.